Yeah, this is probably mine. It's probably, yeah. Yeah, it's supposed to sort of take your foot. Well, that'd be another lesson. It's really the same as a kayak paddle, is that you lean forward to get, the stroke in. Yeah. 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 So you have the paddle almost upright outside the boat. Easier in a tandem. Aesthetically very nice. Yeah. Well, it must have been a blur. So, what's it like? You do know, has Dave told you about the stroke in the front of the boat? It's called what they call a power stroke at the front.
Okay.
So all the the person at the front, all they do is come down like that, lift it. Yeah? Yeah. So the person at the back, all they've got to do is the goons. It's here because look what I can do with it. Yeah. It's someone's back garden's pond. Yeah. It's probably a fish. It's probably a fish pond or something, isn't it? I mean, it's certainly a nice canal. And it's just said if that, we have to remember if that other one gets a bit iffy, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
What was taught, reciprocal stuff and
Yeah.
field observations, things like that.
Well, Barry helped me with the one lad who was having difficulty with the paddle. So he helped me out on that and to remind me about the paddle position, what the paddle does with the hand.
Body about blades,
Yeah.
that's it.
Well, no, but more about the blade, how you hold it,
Yes, yeah.
and what happens with the top one.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, yeah.
I've got to be honest, I find it easy to sort of teach this higher.
Yeah.
Because you can see what's going on with that,
Yeah.
and what's going on, and then they can put it.
Well, I started off with them talking about, as I said, the cycle move. You know,
Yes,
what the left foot was doing, what the right foot was doing.
Yes. There's as much going on under the deck as above the deck.
Yeah. But if they're conscious of what the bum is doing, the connectivity part of it, and the power transference. Because the power transference, if you got your paddle here, I've read it comes from where your foot is on the rest, and it's because the foot nearest the water. You all right? Are you, Dan? You're not too. Pardon? Yeah. You know what do you think? It's probably best to play around here a bit, isn't it? Yeah. Because I'm thinking of Darren, because it's been quite a haul for him to come all the way up here. All right.
You've got lots to think about that.
Yeah.
You've had tons of information around it. Yeah, but you have loads of what to say.
So, Rob. Yeah. So. Just turn around a bit second, Rob. Right. What I want you to do at the front of the paddle is to just go like that, like a quarter. Yeah. No, just to one side. Just listen a second. Just do a quarter thing like that. Yeah. Now on the right side. Do it on your right side. Yeah. Just do a quarter, instead of a half circle, just do a quarter sweep, and I'll do another sweep, see what happens. So do a quarter. Yeah. So what's happening to the boat? Yeah. Right. So I'm doing a quarter sweep, Rob, but I'm putting a backward one while you're putting in a forward one. Yeah. Right, so that's one way of turning the boat round. Yeah. So you only do a quarter of a sweep to turn the boat round. Right, so if I do, you do a backward sweep, and alright, see what happens then. Yeah. Alright. Tell you what, Rob, we'll just move to the side. There's this boat coming. Alright. I'll tell you what, we'll move, right, here, Rob. Do a draw stroke. Draw stroke. Right, draw stroke, both people on both sides. We draw to the side, don't we? Watch the metal. See here, they've gone on the right, on your left side down the river, Rob. It's they follow the rules of the road. When boats pass, they should go right, and then they keep left. Well, keep this side when they go back up that way. So Rob, go the opposite side and draw the opposite side. Yeah. Okay, draw. Draw, yeah. Don't forget to look where you're going. Eyeball. Right, you can move sideways. Right. So put a backward sweep in, Rob. Backward sweep. That's it. So whatever stroke is, always do the opposite stroke to the person in the back or the front. Alright. Right, let's paddle forward then. We've got everybody. How is it, Neil, in the boat? How is it in the canoe? This is the type of boat you can take down to 7.